Hi. Today I am going to share the importance of sustainable living. We know about the sustainable living. I understand the present young generation, except present generation, almost all others are trying to bring sustainable living. We know the importance of sustainable because it helps to protect our environment and natural resources. Firstly, it reduces the pollution and waste, making our surroundings cleaner and healthier. Moreover, by using resources wisely, we can ensure that future generation also meet their needs. When I watching in my area, first I watch in roadside vehicles. First I watch. I can see more EV vehicle, and when I am going to shop, also we can see majority of the people are using cotton bags instead of plastics. Above, this is a symptom. I think this is a symptom. People are thinking about sustainable living. In addition, the habits like saving energy and reducing the plastic use can lower cost in our life. Therefore, adopting a sustainable lifestyle not only benefits to the planet but also improve our quality of life. Thank you.